In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Stripe customer portal link for 2025. This tutorial is perfect for those who are looking to streamline their customer interactions and enhance the billing experience through Stripe's seamless dashboard. Let's dive right into it. First off, you want to begin by navigating to the Stripe dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Stripe website. If you haven't logged into your account already, make sure to do so with your credentials. Once you're on the home page of your Stripe dashboard, the first thing you'll do is click on Billing. This is the area where you'll manage all aspects of your customer transactions and accounts. Clicking on Billing will take you into a dedicated section that covers everything from invoices to subscriptions. Next, you'll want to find and click on Subscriptions. This option is crucial because it allows you to manage recurring payments and subscriptions for your customers. As your business grows, having a good handle on subscriptions is key to managing your cash flow effectively. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be able to see all of the subscriptions that have been set up as well as their status. As you explore the subscription section, direct your focus to the three small dots located on the right-hand side of the screen. These dots often represent a menu of additional options. By clicking on these, you'll reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you need to select the Customer Portal option. This feature is a fantastic resource within Stripe that allows your customers to manage their accounts, view their subscriptions, update their payment methods, and much more. Now, it's time to activate this feature. You'll want to click on the Activate Link option. When you activate this link, it enables the customer portal for your account. Consequently, your customers will be empowered with the ability to handle several of their billing-related queries independently, which can save you time and reduce inquiries to your support team. Finally, after activating the link, make sure to click on Save Changes. This step is essential as it ensures that all the modifications and activations you've made are securely saved in the system. By saving changes, you're confirming that your customer portal is now live and operational. So there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've set up your Stripe customer portal link. With this in place, you're now offering your customers a more efficient and self-managed billing solution, enhancing their overall experience with your business. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional Stripe features and helpful insights.